Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations, you just wrote a story and you called it The Popcorn Thief. So without further ado, here is the very quick version of The Popcorn Thief. It was Popcorn Day, and everyone at the school was so excited. They loved Popcorn Day, because a lot of the teachers would let them watch a movie or a TV episode while they ate their popcorn. And Michael was extra excited because Michael was in charge that day of picking up the popcorn from the popcorn room in the school. And Michael ran down the hallway, pop, 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 and he opened up the popcorn room door. He was so excited. Pop, pop. No, said Michael. All the popcorn was gone. He didn't know what to do. And he went pop, 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 down to the principal's office and said, Mr. Principal, all the popcorn is gone. And the principal knew right away what to do. There's only one person for this job. It's Mr. Banana. They had to call up Mr. Banana all the way to Las Vegas. And Mr. Banana answered the phone. Hey, how can I help you? And Mr. Banana heard the story about the missing popcorn, and he knew that he could solve it. I'll be right there.
Sounds like Batman.
And away he went. Mr. Banana flew away from his show that he was doing in Las Vegas, and he flew all the way to Ottawa, to the school, and to try and help them discover what happened to their popcorn. So Mr. Banana met Michael at the front door of the school. And Michael had never met anyone famous before. And it's very nice to meet you, said Michael. And Mr. Banana was like, oh, thank you very much. And they both went into the school, and they took Mr. Banana to the popcorn room, and Mr. Banana immediately saw what was going on. He said, well, not much of a mystery. The window is open. Obviously, that is where our popcorn thief entered. Let's check it out. And they went to the window, and they saw, stuck in the side of the window, fluttering a little bit, was a feather. A clue, said Mr. Banana. And Michael said, I think I can help out with that. My parents are, well, they're pretty well off, and I have these really cool glasses, these HP glasses. They can determine and look up anything. And so Michael put on his HP glasses and he looked at the feather and analyzed it, and they realized it was a turkey feather. Well, gobble gobble, said Mr. Banana. I think we know who our thief is. How do we track him? And they had a plan. They knew they were going to go check out the security camera. So they ran down the hallway to the principal's office. Mr. Principal, we need the security cameras. We think a turkey did it. And so they all went to the security camera monitors and they watched very carefully last night's video footage. And they saw, gobble, 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 gobble. Oh, there's a turkey in the hallway. Gobble, 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 gobble. Oh, there's a turkey going into a door. Gobble, 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 gobble. Oh, there's a turkey going into the ladies' bathroom. They waited, and it came out. Gobble, 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 gobble. And down the hallway it went again. And they saw it go into the popcorn room. Oh, yes. And then, gobble, 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 gobble. It was in there for a very, very long time. And then, gobble, 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 gobble. It went down the hallway to the auditorium. And that's where they didn't have any camera footage, so they knew that's where we have to go search. Flop, 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 flop. They ran down the hallway to the auditorium, and they opened up the doors, and they started to look, and they could smell the popcorn. They followed that smell, and they saw little trails of seeds and popcorn bits, and they followed that trail right to a loose vent. Well, this must be where the turkey went. And so Michael and Mr. Banana climbed right in. All the way through, all the way through the vent, up the vents, down the vents, upside down the vents, everywhere. And then they got to a vent on the outside of the building, and it was a bit of a drop, but they made the jump because they were brave. And as soon as they landed, they heard it. Gobble, 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 gobble. Oh, gobble, gobble. And they looked around and they found the turkey. And the turkey wasn't even standing on its feet. The turkey was legs up and so fat and full of popcorn it couldn't move. And there it lied on the ground. Gobble, gobble. Oh, hey. So, Mr. Banana and Michael realized they had a wonderful opportunity. They knew that there were a bunch of people in the city that didn't have that much to eat. And it was going to be Thanksgiving weekend, that very weekend. So they took the really fat, full, popcorn-filled turkey to the principal's office, and they got permission, and they decided to have the school host a very special Thanksgiving dinner for all the needy people. And as they cooked it, pop, 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 the popcorn popped even more and exploded out of the oven, and they had popcorn and turkey for Thanksgiving dinner. The end!